Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from RCT Parenting, and today we're going to be covering the Incredible Toddler Programme, and I'm going to be looking at child-led play and descriptive commenting. Okay, so what is child-led play? Child-led play is when a child is encouraged to direct the play with his parent. It is a way in which the relationship between the child and the parent can be strengthened while having fun playing together. It is a form of listening to your child and allows you a glimpse into their inner world. Child-led play is one play interaction between a parent and a child, which the child is helped to direct and lead the play time in any way they wish, within acceptable limits. Okay, so how is child-led play helpful for our children? So child-led play can have surprising benefits. It gives the children the messages that their ideas are valuable, they are worth playing with, they can make worthwhile things happen, they can be listened to, and they can have fun together with their parents. This way of playing, a child-directed play, is that this can boost a child's self-esteem and confidence, enhance the relationship with their parent, create enjoyable interaction, open the channels of communication and build lasting memories. Which I'm sure this is what you all want from your children, but a lot of times as parents we tend to take over play. So by doing a child-led play activity, we'll have much more benefits, and this is how you can encourage child-led play. So encourage your child to explore new objects, settings and people. Follow your child's lead. Pace at your child's level. Don't expect too much from your child at one time. Don't compete with your child. Praise and encourage your child's self-discovery and creativity, and remember not to criticise, because sometimes we're trying to tell them what's right and wrong, and remember it's their play. Engage in pretend and make-believe with your child. Give your child choices when possible. Would you like to play with this toy or that toy? Would you like to do this or that? Allow your child to change their mind. If they want to play with something else, that's fine. Curb your desire to give too much help. We said to take over, but they have to learn to problem solve, which is great through play. Just give enough support to avoid frustration, but not so much that you take over the toddler's exploration. Reward quiet play with your attention. And remember to have laugh and fun. Okay, so by adding descriptive commenting into your play, this is a powerful way to strengthen children's communication skills. Here are some examples of how during play you can add in descriptive commenting. You can say things like, you have the red car and the yellow truck. Or there you are, there's 1, 2, 3 dinosaurs in a row. That way you're bringing in colours and numbers. Okay, or you could say, now the Lego, the square Lego, is stuck in the round Lego. So they get you bringing shapes in then. Or you are putting the tiny boat in the right circle. And this is what's known as descriptive commenting. So you're saying what the child is actually doing. And descriptive commenting and coaching is more effective than questioning or asking your child what things are. Because sometimes we need to say, what colour is this? How many is you? What's this animal? What number is that? And it can add a lot of pressure to your child. So by doing descriptive commenting, they're picking up all these language skills that you are telling them, where you're naming things as well. So it's really good for children to pick up on their language skills. So all this information I've just given you will help to support your toddler's development in a fun way. But if you would like more tips, then please go to our Family Information Service page on Facebook, and you will see the videos from our Talk and Play team. And they have great play activities, they have storytelling, which is really good for our children's language development and play creativity. So next week, Sarah from Power Parenting Group will be looking at social and emotional coaching. Hope these tips help you. Have fun playing, because remember, children learn through play. Okay, and also if you would like to attend any of one of our programs, then please contact us at the Family Information Service at rctcbc.gov.uk. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye.